Welcome to Chapter 2, Lesson 5, where we're going to learn how to apply colors and gradients to text. So you should have your Berry Symposium file open, and it should look very similar to mine. So what we're going to do first is we are going to arrange our objects so that we can see our text. So what I want you to do is first go to your selection tool. Make sure you're selected on the big circle. Hit Shift and also click on these smaller circles so that both are selected. We're going to go to Objects and Arrange, and then we're going to select to send them back. So now we should see our triangle or our diamond words and our Three Rivers Symposium on the screen. What we're going to do now is we're going to go to Object and go to Unlock, because if you remember, we locked these items so that as we were working on our gradients, we would not interfere with them. So now if we hit Unlock All, we can make edits to these items. And if you'll notice, they are all selected now so that we can make the changes. What I want to do is I want to change the color of our text to this latte color. All we're going to do is click on our latte and then come to our Three Rivers. We can triple click to highlight, click on our latte, triple click to highlight, and change that latte color. So now we have our three colors adjusted. So we're not going to make any more changes to our diamond text. So we're going to go to our selection tool, click on our diamond text, and then go back to Object and lock our selection. So now we cannot edit that any further. And the next step we're going to do is we are going to show all. So if you'll remember, we should have the word berry hidden within our file. So if we come to Objects, go to Show All, Berry is going to show up. And the first thing we need to do is we need to arrange this so that it's in the front of all of our objects. So we're going to go to Objects, Arrange, and Bring to Front. And so now we'll see that it will overshadow all of our other objects. We're going to take our selection tool and try and align the berry between the gaps of the Three Rivers and the Symposium, and also just in the middle of our circle. So once we have that arranged, what we're going to do is we're going to create a gradient or an outline on this text. So the first thing after we have this text selected is to go to Type and then select Create Outlines. What that's going to do is it's going to create anchor points and an outline around our text. Then we're going to simply come over to our swatches, hover over the one that's called Steel, select it so that now our word berry has a steel gradient. To get rid of our anchor points, we're going to go to Select and Deselect, and that is all we are going to do for this quick lesson on how to add gradients and colors to our text. So go ahead and save your work, because we will use this file again for our lesson